Namaste. Let's solve the given question from right hand side, which we have secA plus cosecA whole divided by sinA plus cosA. Now, first of all, we change this secA from the formula into 1 by cosA. Similarly, we change cosecA from the formula as 1 by sinA whole divided by sinA plus cosA. Now it forms a small fraction in the numerator within the original fraction. So let's take the LCM of this small fraction, which we get as cos A into sin A as LCM, and by cross multiplication we get this 1 into sin A as sin A plus this one and cos A. When multiplied we get cos A. So that is in the numerator where a small fraction was formed, whole divide by the denominator of the original fraction, that is sin A plus cos A. Now let's change this fraction into the single fraction. And for that, when we have a small fraction over the line in a complex fraction, we can change that as this, that is A by B into 1 by D. So changing in the similar pattern, we can write the given step as sin A plus cos A whole divide by cos A into sin A, and changing this into single fraction, we can write 1 divided by the denominator of the original fraction, that is sin A plus cos A. And if we do this, we see common in the numerator side and in the denominator side, that is sin A plus cos A. So we can cancel this. Now we continue this process as the remaining, that is 1 by cos A into sin A. Now let's get this formula, the fundamental trigonometric formula, where 1 can be written as sin square A plus cos square A. Though we have other two formulas where we can write 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square A. Similarly, 1 can also be written as cosec square A minus cot square A. But here we choose sin square A plus cos square A because the denominator has cos A and sin A itself. So to simplify, we write sin square A plus cos square A in place of 1. And we have the denominator as cos A into sin A. Now let's separate the components of the numerator distributing denominator to each of them. Now we write this as sin square A divided by cos A into sin A. And next we write cos square A divided by the same denominator, and this is allowed by mathematics. Now you can say a single sin A in the numerator and the denominator can be cancelled from the first part, and from the second part a single cos A from the numerator and from the denominator can be cancelled. So cancelling them, we get sin A by cos A in the first part plus cos A by sin A in the second one. And finally, this can be written as sin A by cos A is equal to tan A, and cos A by sin A is equal to cotA. So this is what we need to prove as our left hand side. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I was able to solve your problem today. Please do share the content and channel